inflation, 2%. He don't want to answer it. He didn't want to answer it.
Inflation expectations
He said, we haven't came to that point yet, bub.
Think about that.
Testing. All right, there we go. We're on. Oh, man. The VIX is still fucking coming up.
Of your question?
Dude, none of my plays are even really doing that well.
The employment side of demand.
That VIX call was in the morning. The volatility hit in the afternoon. Fucking scammers.
Like that. I mean, I would say you have
NNDM's up. In fact, I got like $4 on NNDM contracts.
This year at forecast to be well above.
How's the market taking this shit so far?
Well above.
Wow, the market's not liking it at all.
I mean, people are forecasting growth. If you think potential growth is around 2, most forecasts are significantly.
Where's AMC at? I gotta get the hell out of AMC.
And that's even with
Come on, AMC, just come down a little bit more, bro. I don't know. I don't think I got enough time.
The labor market's going to be strong for some time. We ideally what we're trying to achieve is.
Dude, I paid $70 for each one of those contracts. You're fucking kidding me.
We're trying to do that in a process that it accomplishes. That will also leave.
Oh shit! They got him fucking. He's stumbling. He's stumbling.
No one really knows what that will take. Again, I would say that it isn't just monetary policy that's helping inflation get down. It'll be supply side.
Wow, the SPY is really accelerating right now.
Likelihood. So, but monetary policy will do our job. It is our job to get inflation down to 2%.
USO is probably going to end up negative today.
The two goals can be in tension.
VIX is back up at 31.
I don't really think they are here, though, because I think a really significant threat to further strengthening in the labor market in the form of higher participation over time is high inflation. And also, high inflation is taking away the benefits of some of these large wage increases that we're seeing now.
Bro.
So, we do.
The market isn't doing that bad, though. I mean, fuck.
Both of those goals.
If I could follow up, the danger of tightening too much as policy works its way.
He doesn't give a timeline yet, though. He doesn't give a timeline yet. He says we're not there yet.
More forecast dependent in making decisions rather than the
on the size, anyways. They're not there yet on the size. How big it's going to be.
Dependency was particularly.
He almost wants to let the market take care of it by itself in a weird way.
If we saw a very strong labor market, we would wait to see actual inflation before we tightened. And so that was a very state-dependent thought, because for a long time we've been tightening on the expectation of high inflation, which never appeared.
It never happened anyways, right?
For a number of years. So
VIX is back at the high end of the day right there.
We will be clearly monitoring incoming data as well as
back at 24. Okay, I can get rid of those contracts today then. Those are actually up a lot. Somebody's mic's off.
Let's go to Michael Derby.
Thank you for taking my question. I want to ask you. With the
AT&T puts are worth $27 right now. I paid $13 a pop, man. Patience, he said. Patience for the market to crash.
To react to the crisis, and that part of the inflation problem that
what's going on, Waldo?
Is because the government
I'm about to get rid of those AT&T contracts.
Was more than what the economy ended up needing.
So I think it's
you know
too
what?
soon
Let's
to
go
write
with
that
AT&T.
history, really. What I would say is this.
No, I'm gonna wait. I don't want to do it just yet. I think we still got. It's gonna be a couple-day event right here.
The pandemic, literally, the global economy shutting down in large part, including our own economy, and people going to their homes for weeks on end in masks, and there are no vaccines, and it could be a really long time to get them. You have economic activity drops by a shocking amount in one quarter. So there was
wow, these things are getting expensive now.
Lasting damage.
What the fuck?
With the CARES Act, incredibly timely,
number of puts.
Powerful. People there'll always be flaws in these things, but in real
I got like
time,
5 right now. I got the AMC one, and then the AT&T 24 strike, and then the Ford.
Collapse of the financial system.
And who else? Oh, the VIX still. I'm still short. I'm still on the VIX.
To happen, which was the income replacement and then the recovery that Congress enabled with the CARES Act. So now that was a lot.
Yeah, so there's a total of 5 different, it's like 5 puts going on right now.
What we have now is
nothing too big. I did buy a bunch of calls too, though, but like on that, on those little PDUFA plays we're waiting on. I went for a couple of those ones. And then NNDM, I grabbed more contracts of those.
Managing the relatively high-class problems that come with that, which are high inflation and a labor
AT&T,
shortage.
bro. I mean, it's
So, and these are serious problems.
they
Very
did good. The
serious.
earnings was well in line, but
Working as hard as we
the
can.
market don't give a fuck right now.
It wasn't too much. I'm gonna leave that to the
But it's cool.
historians.
So I'll just write it to the downside, and then I'll
In
just flip it
25
back
years,
over
we'll look
into
back at
some
this
calls.
incident, which will be a 2, 3, 4, 5-year period, and we'll say, we'll have a much better basis to make a judgment about the actions. that people
AT&T
took.
still, I like AT&T a lot just because of the
It
dividend.
was all
The
founded,
dividend
though,
pay is
in-
nice
in
on
a
over there.
very strong reaction
I mean,
to
they haven't really
a,
been doing well,
to a unique.
but I think
historical
that they're about to turn around. That
I
AT&T
guess
does
I'll
have
leave it at that.
they
I
own a
look
lot.
forward- I hope I'll be around to see how that looks.
They got their hands in all kinds of different fucking things, so it's gonna be an interesting setup for AT&T. They just need to do something.
Thanks, Michelle. Chair Powell, some investors
Market's
are
still coming
expecting
down. Oh
the
yeah.
could flatten or
We
even
got
revert
1% on the
after
Dow,
the
1% on the Nasdaq. I mean, on the S&P.
How important
Nasdaq
is
is
that
right
for
there.
consideration for
There
adjusting
goes
policy?
Coinbase started slipping. The SPY's slipping again.
So,
VIX is going back up, 32, 33.
We do.
You get the
monitor
VIX higher, bro. I'm
this
telling you,
stuff,
man. Once the
but we
VIX
don't
gets up to
control
like
what
50,
people
60,
do.
start looking at
Many
fucking getting some puts for the
factors,
VIX. Just
influence
make sure you
longer
get plenty of time
term
on them. Those
It
things will
is something
print.
that we watch, and you will know that from when we had this issue.
What do I got 2
years ago.
VIX up for? Oh, I got 2
And we
VIX
take
up.
it into
Where's
account,
Where's Bitcoin?
along with many other financial conditions. So all those conditions for the economic outlook.
Bitcoin
So
gave that shit up quick, huh?
That's one thing I would say. Another is
Fucking
currently
Bach, bro,
you've
back in the
got,
dirt.
A slope if you think about 2s to 10s.
USO's
2
getting
to
clobbered.
10,
Come on,
you've got
AMC, bro. You
75
just get,
basis
come on,
points.
bring it down some more.
That's well within the range of a
A
normal,
little bit more.
of a normal yield curve slope. So
USO
it's
is
something we're
really
monitoring.
coming down right now.
We don't think of it as, I don't think of it as some kind of an iron law, but we do look at it and try to understand the implications and what it's telling us, and it's one of many things that we
Fucking
monitor.
great, bro. Coinbase 177. My,
Can I follow up
Wow.
real quick and ask?
Just wow.
If it did invert, would
Where's
you
TBT? Is
tie it
TBT
to
still up?
US fundamentals,
TBT,
or
let's
would it
go, bro. The
be driven
TBT contracts are
by,
fucking
much
smashing over there.
lower
They're at $77 a contract.
We
I
think
paid
that's
$7 a
good
contract.
question in real time.
Those ain't
Obviously,
fucking till
US
March
long-term
18th. I
sovereignty
think I need to
is
grab
an
more
important,
TBT with
global
fucking like
asset.
2024 leaps.
And the fact that our rates are so much higher than other.
Come on, Spy. Come back
risk-free
down some
sovereign
more.
rates,
How you doing, June?
something of a ceiling on our-
Happy
on our rates
FOMC today. It's like our
It will
Super
really
Bowl
depend
right
on
now.
the
This is our little Super Bowl.
circumstances at that
Fed Powell.
Thank you. Let's go to Brian Chung for the last question.
Chairman Powell, Brian Chung, Yahoo Finance.
Yeah, it's gonna be at least I want to say at least a 3-4 day event with after Fed Powell speaking. Like it's gonna have some pretty crazy swings coming in after, especially when everybody digests it tomorrow.
And wanting to make sure that asset bubbles don't merge. Is that something?
We're actually not doing that bad. I thought we would have been down a little bit more. I thought we would have been down like 2%.
I would describe what we're doing along these lines.
Oh, here
This
we
is
go.
going to be a year in which we move steadily
Listen,
away
this is key.
from the very highly accommodative monetary policy that we had put in place to deal with the economic effects of the pandemic. And that's going to involve a number of things. It's going to involve and does involve finishing asset purchases.
Doesn't
It's
involve.
going to involve lifting off. And it's going to involve additional rate increases as appropriate. And we have.
So they're not gonna
we're
stop
write down in
purchases?
March our next assessment of what that might be. It's going to continue to evolve as the data evolve. We need
Oh,
to
so it's going to
quite
be
adaptable, I
an
think,
an
in our
evolving
understanding of
situation
this.
as the time goes
The
on.
last thing we're going to do is we're going to have a couple more meetings, I think, to talk about allowing the balance sheet to begin to run off.
That's what the market's probably going to pay attention to, the balance sheet
do so in a
runoff.
predictable manner. And
It's
that's
bought the
that's
dips,
that
bro.
we'll
Let's
also,
go, man. Let's go.
Be doing as
Fed
appropriate.
Powell, it sounds like he's just going to let it run right now.
I don't think it's possible to say exactly how this is going to go, and we're
Got at least
we're
about
going to need to be, as
at
I
least
mentioned,
4 or 5 days to
nimble
make some
about
good
this.
plays and position
And,
yourself for the end of the
The
year.
economy's quite different this time.
Once
And
everybody
it's
realizes
the
it, they're
economy's
like, "Oh
quite
fuck,
different,
man, we
stronger, inflation's
overdid
higher,
it.
the
It
labor
wasn't that
market is
bad."
much stronger than it was, and growth is above trend even this year.
Bach, man,
Let alone last year.
392.
All of those things are going to go into our thinking as we make
USO
monetary
just slipped
policy.
some more. AMC's still holding up pretty fucking good over there, though.
We
It needs to
also
come
have
back
financial
more.
Concerns.
14, 15,
In
50.
connection with our policy, was that your question?
Yeah, within the context of other hiking cycles, it seems like worrying about asset bubbles emerging as a result of easy rates.
Oh, look, it's the fucking Yahoo guy.
Part of the discussion today.
I would just say this. We of course have a financial stability.
Damn, man, look, the rest of the market closed. Like, everybody else closed in the green, and then we fucking got this shit in after Fed Powell came out. Oh, shit, I got it.
Really, asset
Sorry about
prices
that.
is one of the four.
Yeah, baby.
So asset prices are somewhat elevated, and they
What happened?
reflect high risk appetite and that sort of thing. I don't really think asset prices themselves represent a significant threat to financial stability, and that's because households are in good shape financially than they have been. Businesses are in good shape financially. Defaults on business loans are low and that kind of thing. The banks are capitalized with high liquidity and quite
Yeah, that
resilient
sucks.
and strong. There are some
Who's holding
concerns in the non-bank financial sector.
God,
around-
Bank
still around
Robin
labor
Hood got
market
beat up.
volatility.
Alright, that
SEC is
sucks.
making,
Poor guy.
made some very positive proposals there. And we also saw something from
Alright,
the
baby.
Treasury market during the acute phase
baby.
of the crisis, which
Dude, Alcoa, my
we're
guy.
looking at ways to address. But overall, the financial stability vulnerabilities are.
I hopes for you, Alcoa. I
manageable,
didn't
say.
grab a short on, put on Alcoa though. I should have played both ways on Alcoa, just like I did everything else. That's it. That's it. Event's now over. That was fucking exciting. See how the market's gonna take it. Fuck. Other than that, it wasn't too bad. It seems like the guy's gonna let fucking the market do whatever it wants to do in a weird way. That was great though. Wasn't too bad. It seems like he's like Powell didn't want to answer much of the questions. Like he wasn't like direct, but the interpretation seemed like pretty dovish though. Pretty dovish. But I think a lot of people are taking it hawkish though, which basically means fucking bearish. I don't think he's willing to even say it because the next meeting FOMC is not till March. He's like, we don't know what the hell we're gonna do. We're just gonna roll it. We're gonna run it and see. But he did say he's allowing the market to price in the negativity. Just expect volatility to kick up. Like it's gonna go. It's gonna be a big move. At the end of the day, it's doing actually pretty good. I think a lot of people misinterpreted what Powell said. But just be prepared for volatility to come in. The swings are gonna be just fucking wild. Because he didn't want to answer anything about the balance sheet. He's leaving a lot open up to the market. He's fine with the market doing what it's doing right now. Even more red, possible. We'll have to wait. Like we gotta wait for Euro and Asia to open up so they can digest whatever happened and see how they take it. It's gonna be at least it's gonna be like a 4 or 5 day event. See a lot of volatility, man. Need some green days once in a while. Yeah, definitely do. But I don't think January is gonna be it. I think we're gonna finish January just fighting. It's gonna be a battle until the end of January, and then February we'll see what's gonna happen because we're he's going to let it run until the next FOMC. Unless any bad data comes out, Ukraine shit escalates, or just, we'll see. We shall see, bro. That's fine. Let's come back on February 10 plus 100% on PLTR. Right? You know? He's gonna let the market do its thing, though. He actually had said that the market is actually performing where he's okay with it. I didn't think he was gonna be in a hands-off approach to it. Like he's literally just gonna sit back and watch it. That's what Fed Powell said. He's like, "Fuck it, run it." Because we got the next FOMC is not for a month and a half, so we'll see what the market's gonna do. But we're basically at mercy of whatever the market wants to price in. But all in all, not too bad, not too bad. We'll see. Let the market digest it. Usually gives it about like 20 minutes. 10, 15 minutes after. But yeah, I don't expect Powell to be fighting against the market anytime soon. Yeah, but he's not fighting against the market, though. But he didn't give any guidance on balance sheet reduction. He just said it could happen faster. He said we could do it a little faster, at a faster pace, but he didn't give us a time. Everything was timing, and he didn't really give us any timing. Because he left it up in the air for May, so we're not for sure if it's 100% on May. We'll just see what happens. Next couple weeks are gonna be just fucking, I don't even, volatile is an understatement. It's gonna be fucking sick. Spy look like it's trying to fight. We'll see how the market wants to take it. Give it a little while. Well, he's gonna let the market do its thing, so we just gotta see what the market wants to do. The NASDAQ just went green. Alright, I gotta get out of these fucking puts over here. Where's that AT&T put? It's at $33 right now. AT&T. You know what? I'm just gonna get out of it right now. I'm not gonna fuck around with that. Which one do I got again? AT&T 24. Oh, I just wait a little bit longer. It's basically in the money. Alright, I'm getting out of that one right there. We'll see what that does. We'll see at the end of the day. I'm not really, I still got 2 days left on that contract. We'll see. We'll see where AT&T goes. I think it's going to come down some more, though. It was just, I was not expecting that from Fed Powell. I was expecting a little bit more guidance. The dude didn't give us nothing. He turned the lights off and said, figure it out. Said, I know the pin now. It's fucking... Right? I know you're paying, bro. It's fucking those stars. 6 of them. 6 of them. Don't tell nobody. Come on, don't tell nobody. I was not expecting that to be Powell. That was not even Powell. That was somebody else. I did not expect him to leave. He was like, fuck it, do what you guys are doing. You guys are all right. I was like, what? Bro, what do you mean? I was expecting him to, kick a little bit more up. It's crazy, man. It's crazy. Yeah, he just said, we're undecided, man. We don't even know. He said we're undecided. I was like, wait a minute. The guy just said he's undecided. I did not follow the conference. He basically said we'd be back in a month with an update. Basically, Waldo called it. Waldo was like, he wasn't going to say anything. It's good in a way because he didn't give us any direction. He just said he's going to let it do what it's going to do. But yeah, so we'll come back and then he'll see how the markets are doing. And then we'll go from there. I think he's just he's burning time right now. I think that's what he's doing. I think he's just burning time. He's got at least 3 to 6 months to sit there and not actually have to do anything just yet because he's still waiting to see if some of this data is going to come in and actually not be as bad as they're saying. Because just 2 days ago, everybody said Powell was going to hit us over the head with all kinds of rate hikes left and right. And then this morning, everybody was like, you know what? I think he's not going to do it. He's probably not. He's going to pivot. Let's see the market get all weird. Some more, right? It's gonna get a lot more weirder, bro. A lot more weirder. Like, it left the door, all kinds of doors open right now. He's just like, fuck it. Like, do what you guys are gonna do. I'm gonna just sit back over here and just fucking, I'll come back in a couple weeks. It looks like everything wants to come back down right now, though. It just looks like it's gonna slip. Yeah, it's back at the low of the day. It's just the fact that he wasn't diving like right into the questions, like head first. Fucking Powell, bro. I called it, bro. I called it. I was like, Fed Powell ain't gonna pivot. He's gonna pivot, and he's gonna be like, we can let this run a little longer. All gas, no brakes, baby. All gas, no brakes. Oh, prepare for volatility, bro. Like, we got to come up another word for it, man. Like, it's going to be disgusting. Like, it's fucking, dude, it's going to be all over the place. Like, man, 5%. We'll probably see another 5% day coming up here. Whether it's to the upside or the downside, fuck, who knows? Powell just said, do your guys' thing. He said, Powell said, do you, I'm going to do me. Dude, I did not believe it. I was not expecting that. He didn't answer anything, though. All he said was the markets are moving. He said, that's good enough for me. Faster rate cycles and what else did he say? Fuck. Oh, he said that they could reduce the balance sheet a little bit faster. But I mean, fuck. Look at the market. Look at this shit. Where's TLT at? Is it fucking following the regular market? Yeah, I mean, look at the fucking SPY and TLT are basically fucking been following each other again. Wait, we need the SPY to go down. Is it gonna go up? Yeah, so 6 weeks, we'll see what happens basically. So continue to work on that cash pile. Fuck, that's basically all the best advice I got. Continue to work on the cash pile on the side. There you go. TLT's coming back down. Dude, AT&T got beat up, man. $24 on AT&T? Like, are you fucking serious? Look at that. Candle was big, dude. What the fuck? Why is it so big on them, man? The earnings wasn't even that bad, bro. The earnings was great, actually. That's bad right there, though, because like if we got companies that are doing good earnings and they're still gonna get smacked over the head, fuck. Yeah, saddle up for volatility, man. It's gonna get rough. Everybody's worried that the Fed was behind the curve. I don't think he's really. I don't think he's behind the curve. I think he's right on it. He literally just threw the ball and said, "Fuck it, let the market do it." Market expectations. Dude, he left us with a lot of questions, though, for the next month and a half. I mean, he's trying to get some kind of equilibrium out of there, but I don't fucking see it. It is definitely a more reactive Fed than a proactive Fed. The next thing we want to look for on the next few days is if they're actually going to price in 6 rate hikes, because that is a possibility now. It is popping up. So in the next 48 hours, People are gonna start pricing in 6 rate nights, bro. That's crazy. What the fuck? Well, there's a possibility, man. I don't even know what to do right now. I'm down about 30% on what little I'm holding. Don't want to sell at a loss and miss security bounds, but I don't want to ride into the dirt either. I mean, hell, bike. It's rough right now. Everybody's getting beat up. But I mean, like I've been saying, I said for the past few days, like the way we're starting out, it sucks, but it's a big move to the downside. So just, we just got to weather the storm. And then once, we weather it, the big bounce towards the end of the year is going to be pretty big, especially if we started out coming into this year like this off of fucking Fed minutes and shit. You know what I mean? People were so convinced that, oh, he's going to do this, he's going to do that. Now it's like everything went out the window. We're 100% down to 36 soon on Bitcoin. Yeah, if anything, Mike, I mean, the best thing to do, bro, would just be work on your cash on the side, bro. Just work on your cash. And then do a little play here and there. Don't feel obligated to play the game every day. But yeah, there's a lot of people out there that are getting hurt, especially the ones that started investing in this last year in 2021. Oh, bro. Most of them, they don't want to fuck with the stock market no more. They said, fuck this bullshit. But it's the same shit that happened back in the days. I mean, like in the 70s and the 80s and shit. I mean, all that inflation, those people, they didn't want nothing to do with the market. Which all you had to do was be in dividend stocks and you would have got paid. Because divvy's where you want to be if we're going to be in this crazy-ass inflation that they're talking about. Yeah, I've been there myself playing at least 3 times. I'm like, fuck this shit. I don't want to play this shit no more. I'm going to take all my money out. I'm done. I'm taking all my money out. I'm done. Then 34K and then 32K. Hang on. Where's TLT? There was a bond auctioning right now. Yo, whoa. Yeah, fuck. Powell basically told us that the market is in the right direction. So everybody else was wrong. They said that, oh, you need to do this, you need to do that. Motherfucker, stop trying to call me for the fucking scam bullshit. I just fuck. We won't know until we see what the market says. The market has to determine if this is a good enough approach for it. Like, we gotta see if the market's gonna be all right with what Powell said. So far, it's not that bad. The Nasdaq is it's hanging on right there. That's why I'm staking right now. It might be bleeding out, but at least I'm generating. Yeah, right? You know what I mean? That's just like divvy payout right there. Just get that drip. That fucking dividend reinvestment bullshit. It's good to go. That shit compounds on its own after a good 3-4 years. But I hope a lot of people realize it now. Like, these assets that you're owning, they gotta work for you. They gotta make money for you in one way or another. If they just bleeding out, them motherfuckers gotta go. They gotta get the hell out of the. They gotta get out the way. I actually sold a little bit of ASM this morning when it had that little bump up there. I sold like, what was it, 4,000 coins just to start getting out of it. Yeah, fucking, he's over there just letting us beat each other up. Fuck it. It's kind of good though for him to do it because I wouldn't want him to, turn the spigot off immediately. The motherfuckers will start going through withdrawals and shit, start spazzing out, fucking shaking and shit, cold sweats. VIX looks like it wants to go. This market is just really fucking jittery right now. Who the fuck left me a voicemail? Oh, it's about extending my warranty. Extending your fucking warranty. Get the fuck out of here. Excuse me. All in all, not that bad though. Not that bad. It could have been worse. Could have been a lot worse. That fool could have came out and said, we're doing rate hikes this day, that day. We're going to do all this craziness, and it would have been fucked. I just basically, I mean, expect any stock to have some crazy moves to the upside and the downside. Like, just any one. Like, just for no fucking apparent reason. Yeah, by February, I mean, it's going to be crazy in February. I wouldn't be too surprised if we don't see another 5% day in fucking February. So now you just got to, like, just pay attention to the market. The market's going to tell you which way it's going to go. It's basically, I mean, if Fed Powell is letting the market do what it wants to do, that's what he's paying attention to. He's keeping an eye on the market. Because now people are going to just be piling in this shit. Like, man, you just need one future to, like, just shift to a certain fucking direction, and it's just going to go. Like, man, any little thing's going to set this shit off. It's like that fucking, is it The Simpsons when they knock over the coffee and they start flipping out? AT&T's popping back up over there. Come on, AT&T, don't do that. Go back down. I need you down a little bit more. Dude, fucking AMC fucking put just didn't do nothing. Hey, AT&T slipping a little bit again? No, AT&T's back above the 50. AT&T's up fucking 266%. I just gotta get rid of it. We got fucking 13 minutes left. Where's crypto at? Actually, oh wow, crypto just, I mean, it's not that bad. We're still at 1.68 trail. We were at 1.73, I think. 1.75. VIX is coming back up. Where's TBTs? Oh man, TBT is really going. Finally, bro. I've been waiting for this TBT shit to wake up. Let's see. Here's TLT fucking actually committing to the direction. Yeah, there we go. TLT is committed to the fucking southbound. But damn, 140. I don't want TLT down that low. Where's fucking Ultria at? MO. Damn, I should have shorted Alcoa too. All right, I should have put a put on Alcoa. Dude, man, I'm getting fucking beat up over here, man. Like, oof, thank God I got enough time on these contracts, bro. Like, man, the premium just got drained on all my contracts. Where's WTI? WTI offshore is that? Fuck you. Oh wow, we got less than 10 minutes left. Tesla has earnings. Tesla has earnings at the end. We'll see how that's gonna go. Wow, a couple $100 million to the sell side, bro. What? That's crazy. It would be wild if Bitcoin did a fucking wild move on February 4th. Right? Imagine that. Imagine that, huh? That would be something. Where's Merc at? Merc's fucking getting beat up over there still on Merc. The VIX is back at 31.79. Yeah, that would be something though. Imagine that shit, bro. That would be fucking crazy. San Jose, fucking some new fucking gun law. Yeah, the market's having time to digest everything. Like, everybody's starting to get the headlines in from the FOMC. So, like, it's going to be a few day fucking event. Like, just because we heard from Powell right now, it's like, we got to wait and see. We got to wait and see. Tomorrow's going to be something else, bro. I mean, tomorrow better have some fucking more up and down swings. If not, I'm going to be pissed. I'm going to be pissed. I hope there's more volatility coming in on Friday. Friday better be just fucking batshit volatile. 1251. Markets, everything's still red. Looks like we're about to slip right now. Remember that one day, the last 10 minutes? Where's the UBXY? UBXY. Dude, that's crazy. Powell's letting them do what they want, even if there's market consequences. he's like, fuck it, bro. Like that, you're gonna learn today. He's like, you're gonna learn today. I was not expecting him to do that. Like, bro, that's crazy. It was like a borderline Volcker fill, but just without raising rates. He's fucking, he act like, I don't know that guy. He's like, I don't know who the fuck that dude is over there, but, you know, I'm going to sit over here, and if you need any help, let me know. The good thing is, though, that Fed Powell is not, you know, he's not showing that he's worried about anything. So, I mean, that is a good thing to take back from it, you know, fuck. If he was, like, worried about it, then that would be bad. It looks like he's letting the market catch up. Yeah, but he keeps saying that they haven't made any decisions. He's like, it just keeps moving. It's good. He's like, it's good. Yeah, AT&T is coming back up a little bit. Well, that sucks. I was hoping to get rid of some of those contracts. I'm going to just get rid of those ones tomorrow. Fuck. So boom, boom, boom. Everybody say, wait. Fucking ballistic, man. That's good, bro. Was there any good news from the meeting? Oh, man. Fed Powell said he's going to just let the market do what it's doing. He likes what the market's doing right now. He likes the direction of the market. He likes what the market's doing. So we got to see how the market's going to take that. I did not expect him to come out and basically let us just keep running it up until the next FOMC, which is in 6 weeks. So, like, I mean, yeah, volatility is going to be just everywhere. You expect shit to just jump and run for no apparent reason. But the only good thing is, basically, is he just said he didn't confirm anything. He just said that, you know, we're not there. We're not there yet. We're not going to give you a time frame. It could be a good thing. I mean, I'm kind of taking it as a good thing. We just got to see how the market's going to take it now. Because, I mean, just fuck, the other day, motherfuckers were talking about like 4 rate hikes. And then now this morning, they're like, well, maybe he won't do it. Maybe he will. Like, they just switched up real quick. Everybody kind of, backpedaled. Yeah, no regulations for the moment, right? I was not expecting it. I was expecting a little bit more of a defensive, defensiveness from Powell. That's what was like. He's like, I don't care, fuck it. He says, good. MRK's coming back up to the top end. Yeah, so he's like, we'll come back and give you guys a decision. Until then, do whatever the hell you want. It adds more flexibility, though. Didn't Tesla get an earnings report today? After hours, I think Tesla hits the earnings after hours. That one's going to be big. Like, we'll see if they do good, if they're able to blow it out the water, and then, like, the market for some reason just comes out and guillotines them, then, that's kind of that's the little thing I'm worried about, because we got companies that have been doing well, and they're getting murdered. Like, AT&T was good. They shouldn't have got beat up. Alcoa was good. Tesla's pricing in like $70. But I think with implied volatility, you're looking more about $100 plus or minus. I think we're going to see probably a pretty big pivotal earnings right here on fucking Tesla. Look at where we're at. We're right here at the top of fucking 2021 right here. Oh, yeah. We're going to see right here. Tesla's at a very crucial spot right now. We're going to see what happens. Fucking excited, though. Tesla's got a lot of expectations for him. Yeah, Tesla's fucking $100 swing, either up or to the south. Bach is still holding up there. It's still positive. AMC, I need AMC down a little bit more. What about fucking DWAC? DWAC's at 68. Just make sure you whatever, if you are playing contracts or whatever, just get plenty of time. So that way you're able to fucking, wait it out. Is everything kind of going green? NASDAQ's trying to get in the green. We'll see if anything's able to finish in the green. How many names we got up? Wow, we got 5,000 names down. 2,400 names up. Yeah, Tesla earnings is right after hours. That's gonna, everybody's gonna be watching that. There's TBT. Is TBT still going up? TBT's at 1858. TBT's moving. Silver. Where's silver at? 21. 2 minutes. 2 minutes per bell. Yeah, I thought the VIX was going to do a little bit more than that. Volatility wasn't that crazy today. How much time is that? Come here, you little fucker. One minute. Oh yeah, Tesla earnings, bro. I don't know. We'll see what fucking Tesla has. Tesla better do something good. I mean, hell, the last earnings they did, they just blew that shit out the water. Like, hell, we'll see. Because remember, they're supposed to have their supply issue under control. 30 fucking seconds left. Wow, it's crazy. crazy, man. We had another fucking 2% flip day, or man, it was crazy. The NASDAQ just went green. SPY looks like it wants to get in the green. Five seconds. 2, 1, and ding ding. Let's see, where's the Tesla? I'm gonna take a couple minutes for Tesla earnings to hit. Oh my God, what a day! What a day! What a day! It's like fucking Super Bowl for the fucking stock market. Didn't really get a whole lot, just like Waldo said. He really didn't say a whole lot, but fuck, oh well. Just, we'll see how the market's gonna digest everything tomorrow. See what this Ukraine shit's probably gonna do. DWAC is getting kind of beat up over there a little bit. Earnings are coming in the next fucking few minutes. Oh shit. There it is, Intel earnings. Intel reports 109 earnings per share. Non-GAAP analyst consult estimate was 90. They blew that shit out the water. Fucking Intel was just skyrocketed. Oh, what happened? What did I just sell? Something just sold. Oh, never mind. It canceled. My damn. Oh my God. Look at Intel. Woo. 49 fucking man. Wow. Intel flipped, bro. That just flipped on everybody. Be careful with that fucking one. I haven't seen that in a minute. It was good. It fucking popped and just dropped. Come on, what's Tesla's earnings? Hurry up with Tesla earnings. All right, come on, Tesla. Where's your earnings at? Any minute. Oh, Intel numbers. Intel's getting just mollywopped. Central Bank Chile raises rates. 18 Intel revenue is 18. There's 70 point. Oh my God. 80 cents estimate and 86 on adjusted. Man, what's guidance looking like? Revenue beat though. Guidance was not too bad. Oof, man, Alcoa's getting. Whoa. Who raised the dividends? Intel? $5% increase to Intel's dividend. That's not too bad. 5% on Intel. On the divvy? On the divvy? Damn. Intel, there's Intel just popped up right there. We already got that one though. They did good on the earnings. The guidance was a little, like, not that well, but it should have been better. 6 minutes for Intel, I think it is. Hey, Intel did good, man. Why the hell are they getting beat up over there? Oh, AT&T's up 0.45% after hours. Why is AT&T moving that? Was it earnings today or was it was today, wasn't it? Yeah, it was. Yeah, AT&T had good earnings. They got beat up today, though. Come on, Tesla. Give me your earnings already. Shit, I just got fucking nauseous like a motherfucker. GMPX. Tesla's moving a little bit. A little pre-move over there on Tesla. Oh, there we go. Tesla, 2.54, estimate 2.36. They beat on EPS. That move's not big enough, though. 254 versus 236. That's the adjusted EPS. What's the normal one? It's getting a little bit of movement over there. Yep, Tesla fucking killed it. 2.54 earnings per share, and the estimate was 2.26 or 167. Margin went up on Tesla. So far it's good, but I'm not seeing like that crazy ass reaction just yet. Aims to fucking increase production as fast as possible, means immediately. Dude, they increased their free cash flow by $1 billion. Wow. Wow. Oof. It's coming back down. The market doesn't give a fuck. The market don't care. Dude, everything's selling off right now. Whoa. Revenue was a slight beat. Oh, they're making progress on the Cybertruck or some shit like that. Where's the UVXY at? Hang on. They're gonna give Cybertruck fucking updates. That's good. Oh, UVXY is moving up. Supply chain was the main limiting factor. Well, at least they didn't blame fucking supply chains, but if they start bringing it up, I don't know. We'll see how the hell that's gonna play out. But I gotta get going, ladies and gentlemen. Alex D, Ballistic Zeus, fucking Waldo, Acid, anybody else out there? I'll catch you guys on the next stream. Thanks for coming in. Appreciate it. I am out of here.